This is Trey here with Mixcat Computers. Today we're going to show you how to do a fan mod on the DV9000 laptops. And what this will do is actually allow us to control the fan, either to set it in normal mode or set it all the way into high-speed mode running at full power. Start with just teardown.
And why would we want to do a fan mod on a DV9000?
These systems overheat. Plain and simple. Overheat, they break down, the VGA chips start to crack with the junky solder that HP uses, the European compliant standard that uses no lead, even though since it's not a consumable product, it's not something we eat, but it's not allowed to have lead in it for some reason.
And on these fan mods, we usually see anywhere from a 10 to a 20 degree decrease in temperature, and the cooler they run, the longer these laptops last. And we got people shipping in from all over the country. A pretty cool mod. If you decide that this is too advanced for you, or you don't have soldering experience, you're welcome to send it down to our shop in Kissimmee, Florida, or stop in and visit us. But I'll have some more details on the bottom of the site. We're going to have lots more videos like this, so stay tuned, guys. And for more details of what we do at the shop, go to mixcatcomputers.com. We're going to have a brand new store on there that's going to have lots of upgrades and accessories available at Mixcat. Of course, reseller prices aren't up there yet, but we'll get them up there soon. Give us a call if you're a shop and you need us to help you with some repairs. HP actually uses some pretty inferior grade cables, very, very thin. We do have an upgrade of this cable, a little bit thicker mill. That way they hold up better. We have that available on our website, mixcatcomputers.com.
Alright, now this is the wireless controller switchboard for the DV9000. What we're going to do is modify this and make it where this can control the fan. We're also going to disable the switch capability for the board, so that way the wireless is constantly on.
Here's an example of one of those cables, a little bit thicker. You can see he's a little bit longer than standard, but you can actually fold these to fit as needed on the actual laptop. But it's a thicker cable that really holds up nice, and usually when we do a repair we replace those cables.
Now here we got the wireless switchboard out, we got our wire that we're going to be using, and what we're going to be doing is actually creating a jumper point between the red and white wires on the DV9 fan. The red wire is the 5-volt VCC that the fan uses, the white wire is the control wire. That's what tells the fan to spin up faster or spin slower. We're just going to make it so it spins 100%.
And one of the drawbacks with it actually running at 100% is it's going to draw down your battery a lot faster. They say up to 20% faster, but you're going to have a lot better life on that laptop. But if it's plugged in, you're probably not going to have to worry about that.
So here we're going to add some flux. What we're going to do is actually pull this switch off. We're going to modify the switch on the board so that way it doesn't ground up the fan when you turn it to normal settings. Flux.
Let me just show them really quick on here. Zoom. There's the actual switch. And you can see that's where you added the flux to.
Here, as you guys might not be able to see, we took off the switch. We had to modify the switch by cutting off the ground post. You can't have that on there, otherwise you'll ground out your fan and it won't turn on, and then you'll actually kill your laptop faster. We also cut the receiving wire from the motherboard because we're going to do a modification on that in just a moment. Now it's just time to put our switch back on and solder wires in. There's the switch resoldered on. One broken leg and the one cut trace that we killed the signal wire on. Now we're going to attach the actual controller wires. So now here we've got the switch wired up to the fan directly, and we're going to go ahead and pop this back in the chassis and test it a little bit.
Just wanted to show you guys kind of a close-up here so you could see it better. Nice handiwork. And you removed one of the resistors, right?
Yes.
Excellent. Well, looks great.
Alright, now here just to show everyone what this does, we go ahead and we're going to hit our power button. Turns on the laptop. Fan spins up normally.
Zooming in on the fan.
As you can see, it doesn't spin very fast. It's just low setting. But we can flip the switch, and
Yeah,
there
you
she
can
goes.
even hear it.
A little louder, but it's going to keep your system nice and cool. Now I just got to do the jumper mod with the resistor on there, which I have right here.
Little resistor.
Very, very tiny.
There you go, back up.
Yeah, about the size of a hair follicle.
What a difference, huh?
I love that. It's like, oh, high-speed gaming mode. Non-gaming mode.
That's it. And he did solder in a little resistor on the board to activate that Wi-Fi. That way it's always on. And we're actually going to have a PDF document. If you look in the description of this video, you'll be able to purchase a step-by-step document on how to do this mod. But if you prefer us to do it for you, we could do that too.